So, hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice looking German shotgun for a DJ build. I know you can maybe put it on a battleship. But yeah, this is 25 pieces, quite simple to make. Most people will have these parts lying around in their collection. Most of the parts are from one stubborn cannon and the rest are like just parts you can find in your collection. Right, so you start off with this place which you can put on one of these. A nice big chunky one, and you just clip that on there. You can turn. Then you are going to get a side wheel on, which is just connecting this steering wheel piece onto a 2x1 with studs. You then just gonna clip it on whatever side you want. You then are gonna put it on a side of the boat. My gun. You are then gonna put this grey slope at the front. Then you just build up the base, which is made up of getting a 3x3 bit, putting it on the side, and then putting on one of these pieces, a 1x1 with bar. Then I'm going to attach one of this clip piece to the bar 1x1. Then you're just going to get this piece and you're going to clip it on here. You're then going to put on another one of these bar pieces at the back. Then you are just going to put this on the side, and then you will put this chair down. I'm using a grey chair from Slumman. That's what I'd recommend using, but if you don't have one, just use a normal grey chair. Now the gun. So first you're going to get this clip piece, then you're going to get one of these in a grey colour, and you're just going to add them to the to it. Then you will get one of these bars, and you'll just clip it on like that. You then are going to put this on, you're going to put this on this big grey stick piece on the end of one of these Technic pins. They're going to put that onto the bar, creating the gun. You're then going to attach, well, this is using 3 pieces. You get these 2 bits commonly found on the ends of guns, and you just, backpacks and like cannons. They're going to clip them together in the right order. And we go. You then, for the, you're going to get a 1x1 stud. I would recommend using if you don't have one. You can leave it, but it doesn't look that good. Put that ready, and then you're going to leave that aside while you work on the gun. You are just going, just lost a piece. The best. You're then going to, I forgot to do this step earlier. You're just going to get this, you're going to put a grey 1x2 on it flat, then you're going to just get these clips. These are complicated. You want to get it so it's got one at the middle and one barely on the other side. Right. you're then going to get this piece, and then you're going to connect it to the front of the gun. Then you're just going to clip that on the front of the gun. Then you're going to get your thing from earlier, and that should just slot inside the gun. Alright, that's that's how to make a shotgun using 25 pieces. Right, I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you haven't already, and yeah, thanks for watching.